Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make an almond financier, a classic French pastry that is based on egg whites and almonds. Incredibly easy dessert to make that you cannot resist.
Now let's get to work. We're going to start by cooking the butter. We're going to take it to a brown butter stage. That's going to give it a wonderful flavour. While the butter is cooking, process your ground almonds, your icing sugar, your flour and baking powder. Now you can add in some vanilla, some honey. Guys, I can hear and smell the butter. It's singing away. As long as it's doing that, it's not ready.
And now the egg whites.
Then you're just going to pulse it together until it's nicely combined. Guys, this is such an easy recipe. It's so simple. The only thing you have to worry about in this recipe is the butter. Don't take it too far. As long as you keep one eye and one ear on the butter, you should be fine.
When making financiers, the whole purpose of the burnt rosette, aka brown butter, is to get that gorgeous nutty flavour.
This is exactly what you're looking for. You don't want to take any further than this. If you take any further, you risk the butter burning, which returns bitter. Then add it to the egg white nut mixture and pulse to combine. Next, generously grease your cake pan with butter and coat with almonds. This will give the financier a wonderful exterior once baked. Pour this luscious almond financier batter into the cake pan, then top with some flaked almonds to give a wonderful texture. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The only way to try this is to make it. Almond financier done.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like and please subscribe and go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Wow, that's incredible. Wow.